Auto email is a Paragon feature that allows you to send automated emails to your clients. Auto email is mostly used for buyer's agents who want to ensure their clients get new listing information as soon as it is available. You can create an auto email two ways. In this video, I will show you how to create an auto email using the contact module. Watch the How to Create an Auto Email Through Search Grab and Go video if you want to learn about that option. First, in Paragon, click on Contacts, and under Contact Manager, we will click on Add Contact. Enter your client's first name, last name, and email address. Once you have entered the information, click on Save. Now you are in your client's admin page. On the left-hand side, click on Buyer Activity, and then click on New Search. Now you can conduct a search for your client. Select either Add New Saved Search or Load an Existing Saved Search. I will be choosing Add New Saved Search. Choose your property class, add your criteria, and once done, click Save Search and Save Search As in the upper left-hand corner. Then name your search. Once you click on Save Search, you will be brought back to your client's folder. Right now, my search is off, which means the auto email is off. To turn on auto email, click on Email Notification or Collaboration Center. Email Notification is the traditional auto email, and Collab Center is more personal website tailored to your client to hold all the listings. If you want to know more about Collab Center, check out the Grab and Go video, What is a Collab Center? If you select Email Notification, you'll be prompted to enter the body of the email. You can edit the body and the subject line here. Once done, click on Send. Now, email notification is on. These 10 listings are already on the market. Only new listings will be emailed to your client. So, if you want these 10 listings to be sent to your client, you will need to click on the 10 listings and it will send a spreadsheet of all the listings. Here you can select all, click Email. Now select Compose Email. Another option that you can use for your auto email system is the collaboration system. Instead of clicking on Email, select Collaboration Center. Then click Send Welcome Message. This provides your client with a link to the website. Then click on Send and then Close. Your link to the Collab Center is now being sent. And now you know how to set an auto email through Contact. If you have any questions, you can call tech support at 925-730-7100. Thank you.